In my recent Namak video, I showed this BMW X5 by Highspeed, and I mentioned I had a premium-ish version of it. Well, I found it in a Schuco Junior line packaging. So let's compare these two and see what's different. So for starters, it says Highspeed on the base. That already gives it away, even though it's branded Schuco. The other one, the black one, was branded Grell. So none of them were branded Highspeed, but that doesn't matter. So let's compare the bases. Same base. The Grell released one says Highspeed. The Schuco released one says Schuco, where it would say Highspeed. Got some detail for the mufflers on the more premium version. The wheels, the rims are very much alike, with a few differences. So this is actually a plastic tire also, but it's a two-piece wheel. So if you can see kind of an edge between the rim and the tire. And then I'll take this away because it's causing problems. And then this is just a one-piece wheel where the rim is chrome painted. And also there's a little bit of depth in the rim on the premium one, and just a flat rim on the basic one. Then when it comes to details, both have painted headlights, but more detail on the Schuco one. Also has a license plate, the Schuco version. On the sides, well, of course, this is black, so it would have been better if it were silver, of course, to compare, but get some black for the striping here. Also the wheel arches and the rocker panel, or the cladding, whatever you want to call it, are painted black on the Schuco one, and also around the windows we get some black paint. In the back, much more detail on the Schuco version, obviously. License plate, taillights, BMW logo, and the silver exhausts. And same details on the other side for the Schuco. Interior-wise, I think they are identical. Having a nice interior, a proper steering wheel, possibly a correct BMW steering wheel, but you know, I wouldn't bet on it. And this one's, yeah, same interior. This one's got the rearview mirror in the middle. Does this one have that too? Oh yeah, it does, but this one's clear, part of the window piece, and this one seems to be painted black. Now look at that. Small little detail, but you know, it counts. Also the wiper on the rear is painted black, and it's just a clear part of the window piece on the basic version. Same with the front ones, yeah, same with the front wipers, interestingly. So yeah, interesting to see these two together. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thanks for watching.